talk about multiplication. What is multiplication? Multiplication is adding a number to itself multiple times. Try it. Rewrite each multiplication problem as an addition problem. In a multiplication sentence, the two numbers that you multiply are called factors. The answer is called product. Why do we use multiplication? We use multiplication to find the total number of items quickly. We use multiplication to count large quantities. We use multiplication to count the number of equal-sized groups. We also use multiplication as a fundamental math concept. It is a tool for numerous math forms such as fractions, algebra, and calculus. There are 20 parked cars. I can count them one by one, or I can use multiplication. I'll count faster if I multiply. There are 5 cars in each of the 4 rows. 5 times 4 equals 20. Ben bought 25 tablets. Each tablet cost $150. How much did he spend? Instead of adding 150 multiple times, simply multiply 150 times 25. Kim bought 13 concert tickets. Each ticket cost $20. How much did she spend? Instead of adding 20 multiple times, simply multiply 20 times 13. Coach ordered 12 large pizzas. Each pizza was cut into 8 slices. How many slices did Coach order? Instead of adding 12 multiple times, simply multiply 12 times 8. Now, let's talk about division. What is division? Division is splitting a number or whole into equal parts. In this example, you'll see 18 red circles. If I divide them into 3 groups, each group will contain 6 red circles. Try it. There are 15 purple circles. If you divide them into 3 groups, how many circles will each group contain? In a division sentence, the number that's being divided is the dividend. The number that tells you how many times to divide is the divisor. And the answer is the quotient. Why do we use division? We use division to group items or calculate the number of items or people in each group. We also use division to calculate unit rate. Unit rate tells you how much you're paying for each item. It is important to know that multiplication and division are inverse operations. For example, if 5 times 4 equals 20, then 20 divided by 4 equals 5. All the earlier examples that we use for multiplication can be used to solve division problems. Let's take a look. You need to divide 20 cars into 4 groups. How would you write the division sentence, and what would be the quotient or answer? I'll give you some time. If you wrote 20 divided by 4 equals 5, you are correct. When you divide 20 cars into 4 groups, each group will contain 5 cars. Ben bought 25 tablets. He spent $3,750. How much did each tablet cost? Notice in this problem, you were provided with the total amount that Ben paid and asked for the unit rate or the price of each tablet. In this case, you'll need to divide the total cost, $3,750, by the number of tablets to get the unit rate or the price of each tablet. Kim bought 13 concert tickets. She spent $260. How much did each ticket cost? Again, notice that you were provided the total amount and asked to calculate the unit rate or the amount of each ticket. Therefore, you'll divide 260 by 13 to get the amount or the cost of each ticket. Coach ordered 12 large pizzas containing 96 total slices. How many slices did each pizza contain? I'll let you do this one. Write the division problem and solve for the quotient. I'll give you some time. Multiplication is adding a number to itself multiple times. We use multiplication to find the total number of items quickly, count large quantities, count the number of equal size groups, And we also use it as a tool for other math concepts like algebra. Division is splitting a number or whole into equal parts. We use division to group items or calculate the number of items or people in each group. We use division to calculate unit rate, or the cost of each item. We also use division as a tool for other math concepts, such as algebra. And don't forget that multiplication and division are inverse operations.